Good morning, and thank you for joining me today. My name is John W. Tanner, and I'm the founder of Coleman Tanner Marketing. It's an honor for me to share with you that in 2026, we're going to be launching a military transition business ownership series, which is a statewide initiative here in Florida to help our active duty and prior service veterans transition from military service to CEOs. Today, I'm inviting you to partner with us in a mission that will help create a substantial economic impact here in Florida, a community impact at the local level where Main Street businesses are located, and generational wealth building opportunities for the men and women who've served our nation with honor. Every year, thousands of U.S. service members retire or separate from the military. They're disciplined, they're skilled, and they're leaders. But as they enter civilian life, they're also looking for their next mission. That's where our events and you, as a potential sponsor, come in. Our in person workshops allow us to educate our veterans on the many opportunities to become small business owners through acquisition entrepreneurship, which is the purchasing of an existing business rather than building something from like a startup from scratch. This is an opportunity for our sponsors to meet veterans face to face in an environment built on education, trust, and shared values. Don't get me wrong, this is not a pseudo networking Ponzi scheme. It's an actual mission driven relationship building opportunity for you to service veteran owned businesses. They've served our country with honor, and now we get to serve them and their communities that they'll be operating in through entrepreneurship. Now, let me tell you a little bit about our company. At Coleman Tanner Marketing, we're more than just a marketing company, we're empire builders. As a division of Coleman Tanner Enterprises, our parent company, we belong to a family of small businesses united by one mission: to provide small business entrepreneurs with the guidance that they need to start, scale, and eventually sell their businesses successfully with a golden parachute by leveraging OPM, that's other people's money, which is leveraging capital, and exit multiple arbitrage. Our sister companies include Coleman Tanner Realty, which is a boutique business brokerage, Coleman Tanner Consulting, a strategic business advisory firm, Coleman Tanner Financial, where we offer business lending and financial management advisory, Coleman Tanner Marketing, that's who we are. We specialize in social media management and authority brand building. Entrefluencer Training Company, a business education, business advisory certification, and mentorship training company. And Entrefluential Media Productions, a multimedia company where we have our own podcasts, a magazine for business owners, as well as other training materials that you'll find on social media, from YouTube to Instagram to Facebook and LinkedIn. Together, these companies form Coleman Tanner Enterprises, which is a fully comprehensive support system for helping veterans enter entrepreneurship and for helping established business owners to scale up their companies and to then eventually exit with a golden parachute so that they can have financial freedom and time freedom to do whatever it is they want to do in the next chapter of their lives. Now, let me give you just a brief background information about myself. Again, my name is John W. Tanner. I'm an author, an educator, an entrepreneur, and a fellow veteran. Over the past 30 years, I've built businesses in real estate, finance, mortgage finance specifically, consulting, and marketing. I've been to law school. I have a master's degree in hospitality and tourism management. I taught English at the middle and high school levels. I led a drama club at a couple of the different schools that I've worked at. And I also wrote the school improvement plan for 2 years at a K-8 school. And before that, I proudly served in the Army and Navy from 1992 to 2000. That was really the first chapter of my work life, although I did have some part-time work while I was in high school and even in middle school. Anyways, now I use all of these diverse experiences that I've gathered throughout my lifetime, and I'm in my 50s now, just so you know, to help veterans become small business owners, just like I did when I came out of the Navy. I opened up an appraisal company. And I want to help them scale their businesses once they get established, scale their business up so that they can leverage exit multiple arbitrage and sell their businesses for top dollar so that they can exit with what I call a golden parachute. Our core focus is simple. We want to help veterans acquire existing businesses and build generational legacies because it's so much easier to build an existing business than it is to start one from scratch. And there's less risk involved because when you buy an existing business, you can look at the books and determine quickly if the company is financially feasible. Whereas when you start something from scratch, there's no guarantee that it's going to work. And most often you operate in the red for the first year to 2 or 3 to build up the business to where it starts profiting. Now let's talk about our audience, veterans in transition. Our events will be serving this very specific niche community, and they're a very powerful audience. Here are some details about them. Our goal is to invite 50 to 100 veteran attendees per event. We plan to host 12 events throughout the state in 2026, one per month. The target audience that we're approaching is in an age range of 35 to 55 years old, meaning that they know a few things because they've done a few things and they're mature. Most of them are already college educated because they acquired a college education while they were in the service, just like I did. And many are between 6 and 18 months out in transition from service to doing the next thing that they're going to be called to do, which hopefully will be become business owners. They're financially ready for SBA loans, VA loans, and acquisition financing. These are men and women preparing for their next chapter, and they are ready to take action. Here's what drives veteran entrepreneurs: autonomy. 63% want to be their own boss. Stability. They're motivated to build long-term security for their families. Mission continuity. They thrive when given a purpose-driven mission. Community. Veterans trust veterans, period. They value relational introductions. That's where you come in and connect with our audience. Veterans don't just want a job, they want a mission. Business ownership becomes their next tour of duty. Trust me, I know because I speak from experience. Veterans are decisive, they're structured buyers, they trust credible brands, and they value integrity. And once trust is established, they move fast. At our events, they're actively looking for business acquisition and franchise opportunities because that's what we're presenting to them. They're looking for financing and insurance because they know they need those things to leverage capital in order to make this happen faster. They need accounting, legal, and marketing services to make sure that they're dotting all the I's and crossing all the T's and checking all the boxes. And they need training and certification and advisory programs to help ensure that they're accomplishing the mission properly and meeting their objectives. They need sponsors, and sponsors can meet them at the exact moment that they're making these decisions for their next transition. Let's take a quick look at the numbers. 18 million veterans are here in the United States. We have $900 billion in annual spending power. We have 16% of US businesses are veteran owned, and 71% of consumers prefer brands that support veterans and military families. The market is massive and the trust factor is powerful. Veterans have led teams, managed missions, and upheld the highest integrity. Now, as they transition into small business ownership, your brand can be the partner that helps them take flight. We ask you to join us in building the next generation of veteran entrepreneurs. In 2026, we're going to be hosting 12 statewide events, each themed around a key transition topic. In January, we'll start here in Jacksonville, my hometown. I'm from Miami, but this is my hometown now. I've been here for a decade, and I served here 25 years ago at Naval Station Mayport, to be specific. So our first event will be called Mission Ready from Service to CEO, right here in Jacksonville. In February, we plan to move over to Pensacola, where we're going to present what I call Operation Ownership. In March, join us in Tampa for Acquisition Entrepreneurship for Veterans. Each event will position sponsors directly in front of motivated veterans ready to take their next step. In April, we're going to bounce over to Orlando, where we're going to host a seminar called Franchise or Freedom. In May, we'll be over in Fort Walton Beach talking about financing the mission. In June, we're going to pop down to Key West, where we're going to teach a seminar called Coastal Command, Owning a Lifestyle Business. Because let's face it, if you're down in South Florida, from Miami to Key West, there's a lot of opportunities to acquire a lifestyle business like a restaurant or an Airbnb and have fun while you work. So from financing to franchise selection to business acquisition, we're going to cover the full journey. In July, we'll be down in Miami, where I grew up, specifically down in Homestead. Well, close to the Homestead Air Force Base, where I was in the Civil Air Patrol at 14 years old, where we're going to talk about legacy leadership, family businesses for veterans. Then in August, we're going to come upwards to Panama City, close to Tyndall Air Force Base, where we will talk about systemizing your business for success. In September, we'll come back up to St. Augustine, just half an hour south of where I live, and we're going to teach Transition to Triumph. Every event focuses on actionable strategies, and every event gives sponsors direct engagement with our attendees. In October, we'll head over to our state capital, Tallahassee, and the lesson will be Mission Acquired, Buying versus Building a Business. In November, we'll come back down southwest, that is. I'm wrong, southeast, Cocoa Beach. We're going to be heading close to Cape Canaveral, and that plan is going to be Operation Exit, how to get your business exit ready. Then in December, we are going to host a Veteran Entrepreneurship Summit in Fort Lauderdale, where we're going to gather everyone together from all of the prior 11 events throughout the whole year and celebrate the successes that our veterans hopefully will have achieved by that point. The December Summit will be our largest statewide event, and it's perfect for premium sponsor visibility. So let me share with you a hypothetical example here. How does this come into practical fruition? Let's talk about Major Mary Jane here. Let's imagine here that she's a retired U.S. Army veteran that wants to buy a small HVAC business, but doesn't know where to start. She comes to our Jacksonville event, and she gets to connect there with a veteran-friendly lender who's our sponsor, a business brokerage team that would be Coleman Realty, my company, a CPA firm that would be a sponsor, that could be you, and a corporate attorney, another sponsor that could be you watching this video. Within 6 months, she acquires a $650,000 HVAC company that employs 5 technicians. Sponsors don't just gain visibility, they gain real clients like this and long-term relationships to serve them. If your brand wants to build real connections and real impact, this is the place to do it. Our audience is loyal, decisive, and deeply appreciative of companies that support the military community. Let's grow together. Are you ready to answer the call to help veterans become entrepreneurs and community influencers? Veterans have led missions, managed teams, and upheld values that define leadership. As they embark on their next mission, business ownership, your brand can be the partner that helps them take flight in civilian life. Join Coleman Marketing in building the next generation of veteran entrepreneurs. To become a sponsor, we offer 3 tiers. Our top tier offer is the Diamond, aka the Pentagon sponsorship package. This package is offered for $10,000 annually and includes exclusive statewide exposure. That means you'll be invited to every event that we host throughout the year. A full-page magazine feature in the Informed Entrefluencer magazine. A podcast interview feature in the Entrefluential Life podcast, which is going on to season 6 in 2026. Premier logo placement at all 12 events. A VIP booth space at all of our events for the year. Branded materials with your company logo that gets passed out to all of our attendees. press release visibility, and priority 2027 renewal. This is our strongest, most comprehensive partnership package that we offer. Our mid-tier offer is the gold package, or AKA our command sponsor package, which sells for $5,000 for 6 events. You'll receive shared event sponsorship, a half-page magazine ad in the Informed Influencer magazine, logos on our banners and websites, mentions in 6 podcast episodes as our sponsor, a display table at those 6 events, lead sharing opportunities. So as you can see, this is a powerful option for brands who want some regional visibility throughout the state of Florida, at least half the state. And our entry tier is called the silver package, or AKA we call it the Patriot sponsorship package. And this one sells for $1,500 per event. So if you want to test out attending one of our events, this might be the good first option for you. The package includes recognition as an event sponsor, logo on our slide deck and handout materials at the event, a verbal mention during our introductions at the event, a magazine ad in the Informed Influencer magazine. This will be a quarter-page ad, a website sponsor placement on our company website, and an option to include promotional flyers in an attendee gift bag that we'll hand out to attendees at the event. This event sponsorship opportunity is perfect for local professional service businesses such as corporate attorneys, CPAs, and financial planners, and bankers, especially if you're a first-time sponsor. Plus, we offer additional add-ons like a podcast interview on our YouTube channel and a custom video feature on our Instagram page to add some more visibility for your business. In closing, I want to thank you for your time. If you found our sponsorship opportunity at Veteran Entrepreneurship Seminars for 2026 inviting, and this invitation to place your company front and center, then I want to personally invite you to hop on a call with me to walk you through our sponsorship briefing. You can scan the QR code on screen, or you can go to calendly.com/JW Tanner to book a call with me. I look forward to partnering with you in the near future.